Title: Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 6. Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind. Welcome back to Technical Earth, your go-to channel for personal growth and success. In this episode, we're delving into Chapter 6 of Napoleon Hill's influential book, Think and Grow Rich. This chapter is titled, Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind, and it explores the incredible power of imagination in achieving extraordinary success. Hill asserts that imagination is a fundamental tool for transforming our desires and dreams into reality. It serves as the workshop of our mind, where ideas are conceived and brought to life. To illustrate the profound impact of imagination, let's look at the example of one person, Walt Disney. Disney's creations have captured the hearts and imaginations of millions worldwide. Disney's success can be attributed to his ability to tap into the power of his imagination. He envisioned a magical world of animated characters and brought them to life through movies, theme parks, and various forms of entertainment. This example demonstrates that imagination allows us to envision possibilities beyond our current circumstances, leading to innovative ideas and groundbreaking achievements. Host. Hill goes on to explain that imagination can be cultivated through a process called synthetic imagination. This involves combining existing ideas, concepts, and experiences to form new and unique creations. Consider the example of an aspiring fashion designer. By using their synthetic imagination, they can blend various fashion trends, cultural influences, and personal inspiration to create truly original and captivating designs. Additionally, Hill highlights the concept of creative visualization, where we vividly imagine ourselves achieving our desired goals. This mental rehearsal activates our subconscious mind, aligning our thoughts and actions with our aspirations. Let's imagine an athlete preparing for a high-stakes competition. By vividly visualizing themselves executing flawless movements, overcoming challenges, and ultimately winning, they enhance their performance and increase the likelihood of success. It's crucial to understand that imagination alone is not enough. Action is the catalyst that brings our imaginative ideas into reality. Hill emphasizes the importance of combining imagination with persistent effort, strategic planning, and unwavering belief in our abilities. In summary, Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich highlights the transformative power of imagination. By harnessing our imagination, we can conceive innovative ideas, visualize success, and manifest remarkable achievements. Remember, imagination is not limited to artists or creative professionals. It is a tool accessible to all of us. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please like and subscribe to Technical Earth for more insightful content. In our next episode, we'll dive into Chapter 7, Organized Planning. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the principles of success in Think and Grow Rich. This is Technical Earth, signing off.